Stop. Before you do your next oil change, you need to hear this. There's an engine oil being used in Ford vehicles right now, possibly in your Ford, that's causing catastrophic engine damage. We're talking seized camshafts, destroyed turbos, sludged engines, and complete engine failures. And the worst part? Most Ford owners have no idea they're using the wrong oil until it's too late. I've been in this industry for over 2 decades, and in the last 3 years, I've seen a disturbing pattern. Ford after Ford coming into the shop with identical failures. Different owners, different driving habits, different locations. But one thing in common, they all used the wrong oil specification. The damage I'm about to show you isn't from neglect. These are Ford owners who change their oil religiously every 5,000 miles. They did everything right, except one critical thing. They used oil that looked right, felt right, even said motor oil on the bottle, but it was completely wrong for their Ford engine. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which oils are destroying Ford engines, why this is happening, how to identify if you're at risk, and most importantly, what you need to do right now to protect your investment. This isn't clickbait. This is a genuine crisis affecting thousands of Ford owners, and if you drive a Ford built after 2011, you need to pay very close attention. The problem: why modern Ford engines are so vulnerable. Let me start by explaining why this issue is so critical, specifically for Ford engines. Modern Ford engines, especially the EcoBoost family, but also the Ti-VCT and other contemporary designs, are engineering marvels. They produce tremendous power from small displacement, achieve impressive fuel economy, and meet strict emission standards. But they accomplish this through extremely tight tolerances, advanced variable valve timing, turbochargers, and sophisticated lubrication systems. These engines operate at higher temperatures, higher pressures, and tighter clearances than engines from even 10 years ago. The oil passages are smaller. The turbo bearings spin at 200,000 plus RPM. The timing chains and phasers require precise oil pressure. Everything needs to work perfectly, all the time. This means the engine oil isn't just lubricant anymore. It's a critical component that must meet exact specifications. Use the wrong oil and you're not just risking reduced performance. You're setting yourself up for catastrophic failure. And here's the terrifying part. The wrong oil doesn't fail immediately. It works fine for 10,000 miles, maybe 20,000 miles. Then suddenly, seized timing chain tensioner, failed turbo, sludged variable valve timing solenoids. By the time you realize something's wrong, the damage is done. The dangerous oil. What you must avoid. So, what's the problem oil? Here's what you need to know. The primary culprit. Wrong viscosity oils. The #1 killer of modern Ford engines is using 5W30 oil when your engine requires 5W20 or worse, using 10W30 or 10W40 oils. I know what you're thinking, but thicker oil provides better protection, right? Wrong. Dead wrong. And this old-school thinking is destroying engines. Modern Ford engines are designed around specific oil viscosities. The oil passages, bearing clearances, and oil pump specifications all assume you're using the correct weight oil. When you use thicker oil, the oil pump can't circulate it properly through the tiny passages. Your variable valve timing system gets sluggish or stops working entirely. The timing chain tensioner doesn't receive adequate oil flow. Turbocharger bearings don't get sufficient lubrication at startup. The engine's computer-controlled oil pressure system operates outside its design parameters. Ford didn't recommend 5W20 to save money or meet some arbitrary fuel economy standard. They recommended it because the entire engine is designed around that viscosity. Deviating from this specification is asking for trouble. The second culprit, non-specification oils. Here's where it gets tricky. Not all 5W20 oils are created equal. Ford has specific oil certifications that oils must meet. WSSM2C945A, WSSM2C945B1, or WSSM2C946A, depending on your specific engine and model year. These certifications ensure the oil contains the correct additive packages for Ford's engines. Many cheap oils, even from recognizable brands, don't meet these specifications. They might say 5W20 on the bottle, but they lack the specific detergents, anti-wear additives, and friction modifiers that Ford engines require. What happens? Premature timing chain wear, carbon buildup on direct injection intake valves, variable valve timing system failures, turbo seal failures, all from using oil that technically has the right viscosity but the wrong formulation. The third culprit, extended drain, intervals with conventional oil. Ford's Intelligent Oil Life Monitoring System is designed to work with synthetic or synthetic blend oils. It can recommend oil change intervals up to 10,000 miles under ideal conditions. But here's the problem. Many owners use conventional oil and still follow the computer's recommendation. Conventional oil breaks down much faster than synthetic. By 7,500 miles, it's basically useless. By 10,000 miles, it's causing damage. I've opened engines where the owner swore they always changed the oil when the light came on. The problem? They used cheap conventional oil and changed it every 10,000 miles. Inside, the engine looked like someone had poured tar through it. Sludge everywhere, worn camshafts, clogged oil passages. The Oil Life Monitor assumes you're using quality oil. If you're not, you're causing severe damage even while following the vehicle's recommendations. The specific Ford engines at highest risk. While all modern Fords are sensitive to oil specification, certain engines are especially vulnerable. EcoBoost engines, all variants. The 1.5-liter, 1.6-liter, 2.0-liter, 2.3-liter, 2.7-liter, 3.0-liter, and 3.5-liter. EcoBoost engines are particularly sensitive to oil choice. The turbochargers operate at extreme temperatures and speeds. Wrong oil causes turbo bearing failure, which leads to complete turbo replacement, a $2,000 to $4,000 repair. These engines also use timing chains with multiple phasers and tensioners. Wrong oil viscosity causes the timing chain to stretch, the tensioners to fail, and eventually the chain to jump time or break, resulting in bent valves and complete engine failure. 5.0-liter Coyote V8. The Coyote engine in Mustangs and F-150s uses sophisticated variable valve timing on all 4 camshafts. It requires specific oil to keep those systems functioning properly. Wrong oil causes the cam phasers to rattle, fail, and eventually destroy the timing chain and gears. I've seen Coyote engines with less than 60,000 miles need complete timing chain replacements because the owner used 5W30 instead of 5W20, or used oil that didn't meet Ford's specifications. Older modular V8s and Duratec engines. Even older Ford engines aren't immune. The modular V8s, 4.6 liters and 5.4 liters, and Duratec V6 engines also have variable valve timing. While they're more forgiving than EcoBoosts, using the wrong oil still causes accelerated wear and eventual failure. The warning signs: how to tell if damage has already started. If you've been using the wrong oil, here are the warning signs that damage is occurring. Timing chain. Noise, a rattling sound on cold startup that lasts 2 to 5 seconds, indicates timing chain or tensioner problems. This is often the first sign that wrong oil has caused wear. Sluggish acceleration. If your Ford feels less responsive than it used to, especially at low RPMs, the variable valve timing system may be compromised by wrong oil viscosity. Check engine light with VVT codes. Codes like P0016, P0017, P0018, P0019, camshaft position correlation errors often indicate VVT system problems caused by oil issues. Increased oil consumption. If your Ford suddenly starts using oil between changes, wrong oil may have caused piston ring or turbo seal problems. Rough idle. A rough or unstable idle can indicate VVT system problems or excessive carbon buildup from wrong oil. Turbo whistle or grinding. Any unusual noise from the turbo, whistling, grinding, or rattling, indicates bearing wear, often caused by inadequate lubrication from wrong oil. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms and have been using anything other than Ford specification oil, you need to address this immediately. The solution: what you must use instead. Here's what you should be using in your Ford engine. The correct specification. First, check your owner's manual or the oil cap on your engine. It will specify the required viscosity, usually 5W20 or 5W30 for most modern Fords, and the Ford WSS specification number. Only use oil that meets or exceeds that specific Ford WSS certification. This information is printed on the back label of the oil bottle. Recommended brands and products. The safest choice is always Motorcraft Synthetic Blend or Full Synthetic Oil. It's Ford's house brand, specifically formulated for Ford engines, and competitively priced. Motorcraft Full Synthetic 5W20 or 5W30, depending on your engine, is the gold standard. If you prefer other brands, these meet Ford's specifications and are excellent choices. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic, specifically the Ford certified versions, Castrol Edge Full Synthetic, with Ford WSS certification. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic, Ford certified, Royal Purple, meets Ford specs. Mobile One, Ensure it states Ford WSS compliance. The key is verifying the Ford WSS certification on the bottle. Don't assume, read the label. Synthetic versus synthetic blend versus conventional. For modern Fords, here's my recommendation. Hierarchy. Best, full synthetic oil meeting Ford specifications. Good, synthetic blend meeting Ford specifications. Avoid conventional oil, even if it meets specifications. Full synthetic provides superior protection, especially for turbocharged engines. It handles heat better, flows better in cold weather, resists breakdown longer, and provides better protection against sludge and deposits. Yes, it costs more, about $30 to $40 per oil change versus $20 to $25 for conventional. But considering you're protecting a $30,000 plus vehicle with a $6,000 plus engine, this is the cheapest insurance you can buy. The immediate action plan. What to do right now. If you've been using the wrong oil, here's your step-by-step recovery plan. Step 1. Immediate oil change. If you're currently running the wrong oil, change it immediately. Don't wait until your next scheduled change. Drain that incorrect oil and replace it with the proper Ford specification oil. Step 2. Use engine flush carefully. If you've been using wrong oil for multiple changes, consider doing an engine flush to remove any sludge or deposits. Add a can of high-quality engine flush, Seafoam or Liquimoly, to the old oil. Run the engine for 10 to 15 minutes. Then drain and refill with correct oil. Step 3. Shorter change intervals initially. For the next 2 oil changes, change your oil at 3,000 to 4,000 miles, even if you're using synthetic. This helps purge any remaining contamination and ensures fresh, correct oil is protecting your engine. Step 4. Monitor for symptoms. Pay attention to the warning signs I mentioned earlier. If you notice any symptoms developing, have your Ford inspected by a qualified technician immediately. Step 5. Establish proper maintenance. Going forward from this point on, commit to using only Ford specification oil and changing it at appropriate intervals. Every 5,000 miles for synthetic blend, every 7,500 miles maximum for full synthetic, regardless of what the computer says. The economics. Why this matters to your wallet. Let's talk numbers, because this isn't just about engine health, it's about your financial well-being. A turbo replacement on an EcoBoost engine, $2,000 to $4,000. A timing chain replacement, $1,500 to $3,000. A complete engine replacement, $6,000 to $12,000. Now compare that to the cost difference between cheap oil and proper Ford specification oil. Wrong oil, $25 per change. Correct oil, $40 per change. Difference, $15. Over 100,000 miles with oil changes every 5,000 miles. That's 20 oil changes. The total additional cost for proper oil? $300. You're risking $2,000 to $12,000 in repairs to save $300 over 100,000 miles. That's not thrifty, that's reckless. And here's the kicker. If your engine fails due to using wrong oil, it might not be covered under warranty. Ford can analyze the failed components and determine if incorrect oil was used. If they find evidence of wrong oil, they can deny your warranty claim. Now, you're paying for the entire engine replacement out of pocket. The Quick Lube Shop Warning. Here's a critical warning many Ford owners don't know. Quick Lube shops often use whatever oil they have in bulk, not necessarily what your Ford requires. You show up for an oil change, they drain your oil, and they refill with whatever 5W20 they have on hand, which may or may not meet Ford specifications. They might even use 5W30 because it's close enough, or better protection. Always verify, before they start, exactly what oil they're using. Ask to see the bottle, confirm it meets the Ford WSS specification your engine requires. If they can't provide the correct oil, leave and go somewhere that can. Better yet, buy your own oil and bring it with you, or take your Ford to a dealership or shop that specializes in Fords and knows the specific requirements. The legal reality, warranty and insurance issues. Using the wrong oil can have serious legal and financial implications. Warranty coverage. Ford's warranty explicitly states you must use oil meeting their specifications. If you have engine failure and Ford determines you used incorrect oil, they can void your powertrain warranty. This means you pay for everything. Extended warranty issues aftermarket. Extended warranties have similar provisions. They'll inspect failed components, and if they find evidence of wrong oil use, they'll deny the claim. Insurance complications. If your engine fails catastrophically and causes an accident, seized engine on the highway, for example, your insurance company might investigate whether improper maintenance contributed. This could affect coverage. The bottom line, using correct oil isn't optional. It's a legal requirement to maintain warranty coverage and protect yourself from liability. The simple truth about Ford engine oil. Let me make this crystal clear. Modern Ford engines are precision instruments that require exact specifications for everything, including oil. The engineers who designed your engine spent millions of dollars determining the optimal oil viscosity and formulation. They didn't make arbitrary choices. When you use oil that doesn't meet Ford's specifications, whether it's wrong viscosity, wrong certification, or just cheap oil, you're conducting an unauthorized experiment on your engine. And that experiment always ends the same way: expensive failure. The solution is simple. Use only oil that meets your specific Ford's WSS certification in the exact viscosity specified. Change it at reasonable intervals with quality filters. That's it. This isn't complicated, it's not expensive, but it's absolutely critical. Check your oil right now. Verify it meets Ford's specifications. If it doesn't, change it immediately. Your engine and your wallet will thank you. Don't become another statistic. Don't be the Ford owner who saved $15 per oil change and ended up paying $8,000 for a new engine. Use the right oil. Protect your investment. Keep your Ford running the way Ford intended.